Welcome back again. So we are finally decided we are going Jor Pokhri and we are getting ready. So welcome back to our episode 4 of the vlog. So stay tuned to see more further places. So we're returning back to Lava from Alubari. And this would be the last vlog for this trip, most probably. Please stay tuned. We were planning to go Gurumara, Jor Pokhri, but unfortunately, since no one came, we had not informed anyone, so we did not take any risk of going all there without informing anyone, because that would not be a responsible thing to do. So we are returning back, unfortunately. I had wished to go Jor Pokhri, but maybe that would be next time. But do stay tuned to see our way back to Lava. Maybe it would take around, we might reach around 7 or 8 in the night. We started from here a little late because we were waiting for someone to come so that we could ask permission to go more further. But since no one came, we started a little late. It's 2 o'clock right now. So do let me know down in the comments below whether I did the wise thing or not, to not go without the permission. And if you all would want to see Jor Pokhri, please do write in the comments below so that I can try and come Jor Pokhri, so that you all can get the view of Jor Pokhri as well.
सानो सानो पाइला हिँडे ठुला ठुला आशा बोकेर जगतलाई उज्यालो पार्ने तिम्रो हँसाइ हृदयमा छापिने साँचो तिम्रो हेराइ खुसीमा नै
So we've crossed quite a distance. के अपेम्बा बिचकिस् त Jor Pokhri जानु नभएर अप्रिल मलाई पनि भन्दैछ के हाम नभनी गयो नि साह्रो पर्छ नि त वाइल्ड लाइफको लागि त पर्छ घरमा पनि त पर्छ कहाँ गएको के भयो आएकै छैन आज आउनु पर्ने हामी पो त्यहाँ भ्यू इन्जोय गरिदिइरहेको हुन्छ उनीहरूको दिमाग त टेन्सन भइरहेको हुन्छ नि त तिनीहरूको फेरि बात भयो We were not able to go Jor Pokhri. We have decided to reach the mountain top over here. So this is so-called Rachela, the real Rachela. So from here they are saying if there is no, if the weather is clear, we can see lava in a very beautiful way. So let's see if I get any view. But just to let you know, कति बजे अहिले? It's 2:10. Since there is no path, we just need to walk from wherever we can go to the top. I'll meet you all from the top view. Since we have left all our bags over here, we are free. How's the juice? So I'm left all behind. I'll also catch them. See you all on the top. So we've almost reached, and there down is our bag. That is our bag. So this is the view. And we need to reach this somewhere over here. We need to go that side to reach lava. Guys are still going up. So this is the view that we got, and let me show you. First let me show Kolakham. Out there, down there is Kolakham. So right above here is lava. I don't think so this camera will be able to catch it, but we can see the monastery. So that is lava. Right down there is Kolakham. So we'll need to walk all this way back to lava. Peak that we are right now, that is Rachela 1. So that is supposedly, that is Rachela 2. I have done a vlog on this as well, trekking to Rachela Peak. If you have not seen that, I'll leave a link on the description below. You can check that out as well. So, he's the one that has the photography page. Itero page ko naam kya hai?
Nature's Diary.
So you can search it as Nature's Diary in Facebook. And he is about to open a channel. I'm sure it'll be an entertaining one. So we are again back on track. Rich lava.
मेरो यो तिमी फली फुलिरहोस् प्रार्थना छ मेरो तिमी सधैँ सुखी रहोस् अन्धकारमा झ उज्यालो दीप नै बनोस् ममता तिमी हौ
यो बल्ली बोकिराख्न बोला चाहिन्छ अहिले फिकाउन यो सर्टकट हो कि भिरकट हो यो त
नाच है नानी जिन्दगीलाई अङ्गाली बाँच है नाच है नानी डम्फुको तिमी तालैमा नाच है पीर आए गमले नाच सुख पाए खुसीले नाच नाच है नानी जिन्दगीलाई अङ्गाली बाँच है नाच है नानी डम्फुको तिमी तालैमा नाच है पीर आए गमले नाच सुख पाए खुसीले
यस्तो भइसक्यो the condition. This is the condition of the shoes. So when you're coming to trek, please wear some nice shoes so that this won't be your situation. So this is the playground for the wild boars. So they come over here, they play with the mud.
माथि माथि त्यस्तो हुन्छ नि क्या जस्तो बोटमा
त्यसको फोटो
यस्तो गुच्चा टाइपमा फडिरहेको हुन्छ त्यो देखेको होला क्या
I think we have lost our way, but we are just heading down steep hill. The telephone network seems to have come. I think we are somewhere close by. So this is what the cardamom plants look like. So we have lost our way, but we are just heading down. So since there is cardamom plantation, there has to be some civilization around. So this is all cardamom plants. This is how it looks like. This must be someone's private area. Our lava was somewhere over here. And it was like about 2 or 3 hills further away. So I don't know which side we are heading.
Oi! Kalbung! Pemba! अगाडि कलबुङ तल अगाडि हेर त पढ देखिस पुगुन कल.
So finally we were able to find a way that is oftenly used because as you can see there are trail marks. More than 1 hour. So downhill. More than 1 hour downhill. So instead of making a trekking vlog, this came out to be an adventure, man versus wild sort of video. So it seems guys I found a road. So as you can see, we are facing lava straight up ahead. We have lost our track and we have reached some other place. So let me once hit the road and I'll confirm which place we have reached. We had to follow this trail, this mountain trail, but I don't know. We lost our way in between and we reached somewhere else. So finally we have reached somewhere. They say that this is the end of Kolbung Basti. So that is the road that leads to Chage Falls. And you can see lava right on top over here. Over here, that's the monastery. You can see monastery from everywhere. So this is the village. Actually we had to follow this trail. This trail we had to follow to reach lava, but it's fine. Adventure is fun. So we'll head down. We'll try and hit the road, and let's see what happens next. So keep on enjoying the video. I'm sure it was an interesting one till now. Sorry, just an update. This seems to be some other basti that they are saying Libong Basti. That is opposite of Chage Falls. So yes, alright, we are heading down. Once we catch the vehicle road, then it will be quite easy because we will know where we reached and how far more we need to walk to reach lava. So we have finally hit the road. A proper road where we might get some vehicle going towards lava. From here, lava might be about 15 kilometers up. We have finally reached at least somewhere. So from here, Chage Falls is nearly about 1 kilometer away. Not even a kilometer, I guess. So it's just there. I said we got a cab of lava. It was returning back. So that would be the end of the vlog. If you liked it, please do like and subscribe. And peace. So we have finally reached lava. Everyone safe and sound. So peace. Peace.